Good evening guys and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be quite exciting, or tonight really, it is dark again, because I'm going to collect some more parts, because I keep buying parts but I'm not installing anything, hence why the cage is still bubble wrapped. The car is in the garage currently. I do want to get out tomorrow and just give it a little bit of a run. I had the battery charger on it because it didn't start up very well the other day, and it was all going quite dull on start up, like all the lights and stuff, so I thought I'd give her a little bit more juice. Now it's obviously getting a bit cold. But yes, it's exciting stuff. I'm off to see Ashley Tuck now, who sort of breaks a lot of clears and stuff like that. And there's a few parts that he's selling that I'm going to go and pick up. So hopefully it's quite exciting video for you guys to see. Me buying some more stuff. I promise you I will start fitting these things. I missed out on buying some harnesses the other day. I messaged a lad who wanted to swap them for a black set, but they were perfect 4-point. They just had the single button in the middle to undo. They were OMP, so they were big, sort of, I think they were 3-inch straps, red, sort of obviously harnesses with the yellow OMP sticker on it, which I thought matched absolutely perfectly to my steering wheel. And he wanted 130 quid for them. I think they were 180 brand new, so I was like, oh, that's a good little saving. But they were sold by the time I got back to him, which was a bit annoying, but that's all right, because I've just spent all the money I had saved on these other parts now. So hopefully you guys hopefully you guys are excited for this. I'm excited to get it and fit it. I don't know how well it's going to go, but let's see. It's going to make some more content. A couple of the parts that I'm getting are quite big, sort of parts for the car, and there's one sort of performance upgrade as well, which I'm really excited about. I've been umming and ahhing about it for absolutely ages. A lot of people said just go for it. I don't know how well the install is going to do, because I think it's quite fiddly, and the noise it makes sometimes might annoy me. There's a couple of clues, but yeah, I'm probably excited to go get it and just buy some more things for the car really. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to take a little drive there, and I'll probably come back to you guys tomorrow as I'm moving the parts in. It's Sunday fun day. So first thing, well, the main thing to do today is get the tree up. My missus has gone full festive. We popped over to Moore Valley yesterday and got ourselves a massive tree. I think it's probably going to be too big for the room, but we'll see how it goes. But I do need to get the car out today. One, because I want to get all those parts out of my van and get them in here, and then sort of show you guys then. So there's actually something exciting going on in this video. But I also need to get the Christmas stuff down, which is sort of good. Right. So the key here when I bring it back in is to remember to leave the cage in the same place, because I've perfectly placed it up against the wall of my door protection. Before I show you sort of the free bits that I bought, I'm going to show you the first two, because they're exciting to me, but they're not as exciting as the third one. These first, I'm pretty happy I found these. Not a lot of black golds come up for breaking really, and obviously there was a few parts that I needed. So yeah, let's have a look. But obviously the wing, like I said in the video the other day, of my video of sort of what's wrong with my Clio, this is obviously one of the biggest ones. I think it was my fault when I was trying to refit the wing, what that new wing's going to solve. And then coming to the bonnet, which I showed you the other day as well, it looks like this. And I'm going to show you the last one, which is sort of my favourite bit, let's say. So yeah, sort of, oh, you can see it there in the light where the light flicks in and out. That's where the little sort of impressed dent is here. But in comparison to the craters that are on the front of my bumper, this is a hell of a lot better, so it's a bit of an improvement for now. But the one last thing that I bought, which I've been umming and ahhing about for absolutely ages, I'm going to go and grab it now. Yeah, it's a bit of a jump, and it probably will take me a while to install, because it's me. You know, I've still got a cage, still got things to spray, got a bonnet to install, got a wing to install. It's all building up on me, man. So this is the very last one that I bought. It's a bit of a jump, but it came. Stay there. It was a bit of a jump, but it came up for a pretty decent price, so I had to go for it. So I'm going to hopefully install it as fast as I can, but everything's hopeful in my life. And it is second hand, but let's go. How cool is this? So it is the PMS shifter. It is the more recent one because it's carbon. got our cruise working, and it is working like a dream. Goes up perfectly. Goes down when you want it to. And then obviously we got the return and the off on this side. Yeah, all works as it should. I know it's probably quite loud because I'm going, what, 55 now, so. Just nice to be out and drive it really. This is the first drive in November. I probably shouldn't have taxed it really. I've wasted 30 quid on taxing the car that's sat in the garage, but I'm just going to go home now and talk some more about that PMS shifter. I cannot wait to get that in here. I'm a little bit concerned about the whole rattling situation, but it being down there and sort of looking all long and cool. Jeez Christ, what is that? Right, so I'm sort of going to finish the video up here, but I just want to talk a little bit more about the PMS shifter. Like I said, I've been umming and ahhing about it for a long time. As you guys know, I've been saying, oh, do I wait for the 0.1 shifter? Everyone says the reason not to is that it's all feel, it's all springs and stuff like that. It's not actually doing anything to improve it. So that sort of pushed me back towards the PMS. Even though the 0.1 looks absolutely amazing as well, it's miles out of my price range. I asked them for a price on it and they said this is going to be similar to the 197 in the Megans and stuff like that. It's about 700, 800 quid, and I can't justify that. Who can justify that? That's crazy money. They're amazing and they look really cool and stuff, but no, can't feel that. So we went for the PMS. Carbon, sort of pole, whatever you want to call that. Which is going to link nicely to the interior carbon that's running along the dash. I've been considering painting this red already. It's got a few scuffs on the top. I was just thinking that maybe putting a little red splash on top of there might be quite cool inside the car. I'm not going to have this showing. This is all going to be underneath the center console just to dampen out any rattling. These are prone to rattling quite a lot, so that's the only thing I'm concerned about. I'm going to do a lot of research on what I can do to stop it from rattling, and if you guys know, do let me know. But apparently it's just that all the vibration runs up all this, because I think it's hollow, and then all the way up and straight into the shifter there. But yeah, I am well happy with this purchase. Got it at a good price. The second-hand ones always seem to retail at the same price. New ones are $350 or something like that, and the second-hand ones are 70, 60, 50 quid cheaper. So they all retail about the same, but I wanted the one with the carbon pole because obviously that's the newer one, and I think it looks a lot better rather than it all being this colour here. But yeah, shifter, well excited about that. Wing, really excited to get rid of that crack. Bonnet there is just going to freshen up this whole area. Like I said, I've just got so many massive stone chips on this bonnet now. This was always here, but these were not always here. I had a few, but nothing of that sort of scale chips. So yeah, as I said in the video the other day, headlights are next. I want to get a black insert. I'm not overly fussed on pushing for them yet. These are proper hazed over. I could clean them for now, and I was considering it the other day, and it may come to that, but obviously all the brackets and stuff are broke on these as well, so I want some new headlights as it is anyway. And yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. It's just a little bit of a reel, just a little bit of another video to kick me back into it, and hopefully we'll actually start installing and spray painting some stuff soon, which will yeah, be exciting. But I'm not going to put too much pressure on myself because it gets dark so quick. I always work 8 till 5, sometimes even late in the 5 if we're finishing jobs and stuff. I got overtime to do, and yeah, that's it really. It's all money that goes towards the car though. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.